Hi guys, and welcome back to yet another episode. Today we are in the beautiful village of Siam Royal View on Khaotalo, and I'm here again with lovely Pinky.
Hello, welcome to Siam Royal View. This is we consider as the biggest village in Pattaya, I would say. And then you have the house, even up to the most expensive house.
Like a 200 million baht, around 5 to 6 million US dollars. As Pinky said, like a big village, like a very nice houses. You can easily access to Sukhumvit Road, so it's just like a 5-minute drive from Sukhumvit Road. Benefit of this village is that the houses have some sea view and city view because it's on the hill. This house have 6 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms.
The land size 1,050 square meter of land, living space 866 square meter of living. And then you have big swimming pool, modern new style house, and of course you have sea view from the rooftop.
Exactly, and here we're standing at the entrance, so this one will be your main entrance area. So you have like a quite nice garden. Here will be the main entrance, and here is one of the 2 car parks, enough for 1 car and a couple of motorbikes.
And then there are another car park on other side. We will bring you two around.
So without further ado, let's have a look inside. Follow us.
Right here is a house entrance. So you have the shoe cabinet and then the shoe zone here.
Coming around here, we have the main living room. And this one is very nice and spacious. We have like a very tall ceiling, at least 5 meters tall ceiling. Nice L-shaped sofa set up here as well. A large TV on this wall and some more like a bookshelves, some speaker here. So it's quite nice for like a movie night.
Right, and the decoration come with modern style decoration, so not too bling, it's quite like a nice modern, like a pure modern. You have a ceiling tight aircon here. Maybe we bring you to the kitchen zone.
First, we have here all the setup, like one is for the security cameras, and then one is here for smart home system. It can everything control with the iPad. We have here like a nice round dining table.
Good for many menus that you can turn in the middle.
It's good for like a Thai style, like for everyone sharing, and for Chinese, of course.
Yes, right.
We have here Daikin aircon. We have here some more space for putting all your red wines and the wine glasses.
You have big European kitchen here with the island in the middle. And this is hob and hood together.
Yeah, the hood is here. So you don't need any hood on top anymore.
The sink, this is for your cooking zone. Opposite of me, you have the refrigerator, oven, microwave. On another side, I bring you turn around here.
More storage this way going towards the car park. But first we have the refrigerator on the right-hand side. We have here another storage space and all the like a home technology. So all the cables for the CCTVs are stored in here. And over here is also still nice. We have like a really like a separated laundry room with like a dryer and washing machine and some more storage space as well.
And from the dining zone, you can see the swimming pool.
You can even open the door and jump just right after. Maybe for the children it's good just after they finish the dinner, they can just jump into the swimming pool.
Okay. That can be an idea. We bring you to another side of the house. 3 bedroom on the main house here and other 3 bedroom on the guest house.
Let's start maybe with this one first.
This is the front bedroom. You will have the garden view, and then the design, as I say, is modern. Mostly the color is white, gray, black. The bed come with king size. This is TV here, wardrobe over there, and bathroom. I like the color of the bathroom, gray, and the tile where they use is feel like a stone. You have sink, you have mirror, with like a smart mirror. And this is a shower room with rain shower installed inside the wall, which is nice. And this is toilet.
Large built-in wardrobe, nice for like a guest bedroom. Here we have another guest bathroom. Toilet, let's say when you host your guests here, they can use that toilet on this side. Here is some more access to the terrace and to the swimming pool.
This is the second bedroom.
Queen size.
Wardrobe here, bed and bedside TV, come with like a wood built-in table and the bathroom on another side.
Yes, and the bathroom also quite very spacious. So we have here everything from Hefele, the toilet, the sink as well, the smart mirror, and like a nice rain shower as well, like a fully integrated into the wall. So you don't see all this kind of lines there from the shower. And then this one is the master bedroom.
Yeah, so you have more space around your bedroom. Bed is king size, wardrobe.
You have the vanity table, and then you have here another area to the bathroom with like a sliding door as well, like a wooden sliding door. It's nice. And in the bathroom is actually very big. You have another walk-in wardrobe. You have two sinks for his and her. You have also the smart mirror, same as in the other bathrooms. You have here like the centerpiece of this bathroom is the bathtub. Here like is surrounded like by white stones, quite nice. And then what I like about this bathroom is that they like is separated. To the left will be the shower and to the right will be the area for the toilet. From the master bedroom we can access also directly to the terrace and the swimming pool. Immediately here we have like some sofa area, some chill out area.
Yes, outdoor is my favorite zone because you have like a big space, outdoor dining table. You have TV for your music.
Yes, and then of course the large swimming pool. We even have here a zone for like a jacuzzi. And then the swimming pool is like
15 meter, but it's wide, like almost 10, I would say.
It's a very large swimming pool, but it's not finished yet because here to the left we have some sun chairs.
This is one more bathroom and shower room. So after swimming pool, you can use this bathroom for a shower.
And this one is really like the party zone, I would say, because here you have outdoor pool table.
There are the curtain here. You can bring it down.
So even if it's like a heavy raining, you can just close the curtain, or if there's like the sunset, because this way will be the sunset. And if the sun is like too low, you can also close the curtain. It's nice to have. Over here is actually one of the favorite zone, I would say, because this one is an outdoor bar. We have here like an outdoor bar counter. We have here a sink with some storage below. Of course, what you need is outdoor refrigerator.
Yes.
Unfortunately, it's empty now, but I guess you guys know with what you will fill it up with.
Yes, this is nice because then you can see what's available inside.
Yeah, then you can immediately order online like what you need to buy more.
Yes, this is what I like too.
It's everything quite like a easy,
nice.
like a contemporary design. This is it about the main house, and now we will have a look at the guest house. Also for the guest house you have another nice garden. I really like that in this house. Dedicate a lot of space for like the garden area.
Right, and you have two more parking, like the garage on this side. So in case if you have a guest and have a car, they also can just easy access here, no need to walk through the main house.
Yes, so basically this house stretches all the way between two soils, so two roads, so you can access like from both ways. Here we have the first guest bedroom in this like a guest house.
All the bedroom have bathroom.
This bedroom is quite like a nice for like a guest size of bedroom. Of course we have it's come all with like a built-in furniture, even here with a king size bed. Stone garden view, let's say.
Right, actually it would be nice if have some more plant here on the wall.
This is an easy fix.
Yes.
Then here is like the TV area, and also have here wardrobe, of course. Similar style of the bathroom with the rain shower, toilet from Hefele, and the sink with the smart mirror. So this one bedroom number 4.
And now bedroom number 5. I would say the same layout. When you come in, you have wardrobe here. The bathroom, yes, exactly same design as another guest bedroom. Sink, mirror, toilet, and then rain shower room. But yeah, rain shower is really nice here. We just come out of the wall, and then with the white colors and quite big one. Bedroom with the king size bed, gray curtain, and then built in the real wood table.
Here to the right hand side is another exact copy. So this one is bedroom number 6. So if you like to host a lot of guests, it's nice to have this guest bedrooms.
Yeah,
Or for like a children, you know, like then the children
like
can also
easy
have their
to
own
choose
zones.
for your guests. Like anyway, all the same.
All is the
So
same.
if you have like a many couples, then it's good for you to host big group of friends.
And then we can also go up from another side. So we just basically walked one way around. And this one is the other side where you can go up again to the main house.
Here is the highlight zone of the house. It's the rooftop sea view. This is the rooftop, the guest house zone. Wow, you can use here as a mini golf.
Mini golf zone, like a party zone, maybe putting some sofas here.
Yeah.
Because actually this is best view of the entire house, because from here you have the ability to also see like some of like a Jomtien area. You can see the cityscape. You even have some sea view as well. I mean, like for like an evening cocktail party, probably this one is a nice space. Or mini golf.
Yeah, you can host like many people with this big space, and it's quite nice wind.
Exactly, because all the wind coming from the sea and nothing is really like a blocking the wind. This house, 6 bedroom, 8 bathrooms.
1050 square meter of land, 866 square meter of living space.
Currently listed at
56 million Thai baht.
just reduced from 59 million Thai baht, exactly. So if you're looking for like a nice big space in probably one of the best areas in Pattaya for house developments, let's say for houses, and for like a more like a privacy, then this one is probably a good choice.
Yes, good location, good facility in the village, like big village with security 24 hours.
You even have public swimming pool, but I mean, like you already have this large swimming pool. Why would you care for this like a public swimming pool?
I mean, if you walk around your house, you're already quite tired.
Exactly. No need to walk around in the village, even more tired. So we will put the listing in the video description below as always. And if you enjoy this house and future house tours, give it a thumbs up. Write us a comment what you like, what you didn't like about this house. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And as always, see you guys on next Sunday. Thank you very much.